Did you know that hurricane season began June 1st? So, why not start prepping your car now and save yourself time, money, and stress? Whether you're staying in town or planning to evacuate when the bad weather arrives, you want your car to be in the best shape to carry out your plans. And we've got the tips to get you ready for hurricane season. When was the last time you had a multi-point inspection? Our auto service techs will take a look under the hood to see if there are any developing issues. They can look for excessive wear and tear, point out any leaks, and advise you if something looks like it's about to take a turn for the worse. Have you been meaning to get an auto repair but just haven't gotten around to it? Whether it's something like a cracked windshield or tires that need to be replaced, take care of it now. The last thing you want is to have a major issue when you are trying to evacuate. When was the last time you got an oil change to keep your engine cool and lubricated? It's time to get on a routine auto service schedule now. Our techs can get the initial services taken care of and schedule your future services at the proper time. This will ensure your car is always in the best shape possible. And don't forget to stock your car. You should have emergency supplies on hand for your evacuation. First, know your evacuation routes and have them written down or at least stored in your phone. Put a paper map in the glove box and keep supplies like jumper cables, a spare tire, tire jack, a phone charger, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. This will make it easier to pack when it's time to hit the road. Get your car ready today at Toyota of Clermont at 16851 State Road 50.